All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm back here, and I wanted to show you these lenses that I got. So these are headlights. I actually took them apart. They're really cheap ones from eBay. They're projector lenses, HID 6K. So I decided to go with 6K instead of 8K because I didn't want to be hassled with being pulled over. And these are like crystal clear with a slight tint of blue. The 8K was like a little bit more blue. And I just didn't want to be hassled with maybe being pulled over and stuff like that. You know, sometimes cops are kind of weird out here and whatnot. So these are super bright, and I'm happy with that. They also came with a halo lens, which was shitty. I mean, these things were only like 70 shipped. I figured I probably would have to take them apart and do something with them. So that's what I did. I had this flex light already, or actually ordered this. So what I'm probably gonna do is make my own halos, because the halos in here sucked. It was like one light, y'all. It was like one little bulb. Actually two little bulbs, and it sat like right here, and then it was supposed to light the whole thing, and that thing barely lit anything. So I'm gonna make my own. These are edge lit, so they have the bulbs on the edges here, if you guys can see right here on the edges. So that way you can mount them like that, and then you can get the light to shine outward on the edge there, so like it should. So I'm gonna modify that to make it work, and then I'm gonna just these weren't put together very well either. They were silicone together, and they had gaps in there and everything, so if water got in there, it would have just destroyed it. So I'm gonna basically put them together, probably epoxy them back together with like some JB Weld or something in small places, and then I'm gonna silicone the rest so no water gets in. So I'm gonna do those. I only got 2 of them, so, and I'm gonna see how they work, and then if they work good, then I'm going to get the other ones. They came with everything, the ballast, the headlights, all that. So good to go on that. Let me go out to the